Dear students, now we are going to see the relative reactivity of acid derivatives. Relative reactivity of acid derivatives. We already discussed about the acid derivatives, no? So we already discussed acid derivative. What are the acid derivatives? Acid halide, acid anhydride, ester, amide. Acid halide, acid anhydride, ester, amide. Now, which is more reactive? Acid chloride is more reactive. Amide is least reactive. Now, the order of the reactivity explained. How this order is explained? On the basis of two concepts, that is basicity of the leaving group and the resonance effect. How this order is obtained? Based on the two terms. Basicity of the leaving group and the next is resonance effect. What is the order? Acid chloride is more reactive than acid anhydride, ester, amide. Which is more reactive? Acid chloride, and the least reactive is acid amide. Least reactive is acid amide. So now we are going to see the explanation of these two terms. What are the two terms? Basicity of the leaving group and the resonance effect. First we are going to see the basicity of the leaving group. Basicity means the availability of lone pair electron on the nitrogen atom. We already explained in the amines. So basicity means tendency to donate a pair of electron. Tendency to donate a pair of electron. So now weaker bases. So first we are going to see the weaker bases. What are the weaker bases? Good leaving group. A compound with having the good leaving group is called as a weaker base. And the reverse is the reactivity. If it is a good leaving group means reactivity less. Good leaving group means reactivity less. Now weaker bases. Good leaving group. Weaker bases means leaving. Leaving means what is the meaning of leaving? It has a tendency to break the bond and it is easily goes out. That is called as a leaving. Good leaving group. Reverse is its reactivity. That means if it is a good leaving group means it is weaker base and it is weak react. That means weak tendency to react with any other compounds. Now, hence, acyl. We already discussed what is acyl. CH3, CO. That is CO, CH3 group. Acyl derivatives with weaker bases as a leaving group. Acyl groups are the leaving group which can easily rupture. The rupture means break the bond and are more reactive. Easily break the bond means more reactive. Therefore, good leaving group is a easily break the bond means more reactive. And now the order of the basicity of the leaving group. Order of the basicity of the leaving group. So what is the order? First one is NH2. NH2. Nitrogen. In the periodic table, which is more electronegative? Fluorine is more electron. Next to that is oxygen. And then nitrogen. NH2. Since it has a lone pair electrons. NH2 is a amine. And the next is ether. Ester. That is ether. That means OR. This, if OR is attached means it is called as a, which one? First is amide, no? And the next, what is the next we discussed? Ether. This is ester formed. And then acid halide. Acid halide, ester forms anhydride. OR forms a ester. NH2 forms a amide. What is the order we discussed? Which is the more reactive? Acid halide. Which is less reactive? Amide. So, basicity order is reverse of that. NH2 is more basic than OR. Then ester group attached to the acyl group. And then Cl minus. And now, another factor which explains that the reactivity order is resonance effect. Resonance effect. Resonance effect. Resonance means we already discussed. What is resonance? Resonance if one structure is not able to discuss the properties of the compound means, then it can be explained by several structures. In phenol and in amine has a tendency to donate a pair of electron, no? So it increases the activity of the benzene. It increases the activity of the benzene. So it is orthopara directing. It is orthopara directing. So that is a resonance effect. If the electronegativity decreases, resonance stabilization increases. Electronegativity decreases, resonance stabilization increases. Electronegativity means which has a tendency to attract the shared pair of electron towards itself. That electron negativity means tendency to attract the shared pair of electron towards itself. That is decreases means resonance stabilization increases. This effect makes the molecule more stable. If any compound involved in resonance means it is stabilized and their reactivity reduces. Order of the electronegativity of the leaving group. Which is more electronegative? Halogens are more electronegative. And then oxygen and then nitrogen. Oxygen atom and then nitrogen atom. Hence the order of the reactivity is acid halide is more reactive, acid anhydride, ester, amide. This is the reactivity order of acid derivatives we already discussed. This is more reactive and acid amide is least reactive Now we are going to see the nomenclature of acid halides, that is acid derivatives. Commonly it is acid derivatives. IUPAC name. First we are going to discuss. There are two names, common name and IUPAC name. Now let's discuss the IUPAC name first. IUPAC name nomenclature. While writing the IUPAC name, first you have to write the prefix. What is prefix? It is nothing but a substituent. First, if any compound is given to you, first you must find whether any substituent is there or not. If a substituent is there means mention the number of the carbon to which the substituent is attached. Whether the substituent is attached to first carbon or second carbon, third carbon or fourth carbon, like that. You have to find the number of the carbon to which the substituent is attached. So first you must find the prefix and write the prefix of the compound. Prefix is nothing but a substituent. If any substituent is there means first you write that along with the position where it is attached. And the next is root word. And the next is root word. Root word means how many carbon atoms there. That means in the longest chain, that is considered as a parent chain. Root word means find out the longest carbon chain in a compound. Consider that as a parent chain. Whether there is 4 carbon atom means it is called as a butane. 5 means pentane. Pent, but, that is a root word. 4 carbon means but. 5 carbon means pent. This is a root word. So first you have to write the substituent along with the carbon to which it is attached. And the next, whether it is but, pent, prop, etc. Next is primary suffix. Primary suffix is nothing but, what is primary suffix? Primary suffix is saturated or unsaturated. Whether the compound is saturated or unsaturated. Saturated means alkane. Unsaturated means alkene, alkyne. That is, if single bond is only present means it is saturated. If any double bond, triple bond is there means it is unsaturated. If only double bond means you have to write ane. If it is double bond means ene. If it is triple bond means ine. So, ane, ene, ine refers the primary suffix. And the next is secondary suffix. That is nothing but our functional group. Whether it is an alcohol, aldehyde, ketone or anything. So, if alcohol is there means the name is end with OL. Aldehyde is there means the name is end with AL. Ketone is there means ONE. So in that manner, you have to write the IUPAC name. First you have to write the prefix, root word, primary suffix, secondary suffix. Prefix is nothing but the substituent, whether we have a substituent in our compound. If it is there means mention the substituent along with the number to which the carbon, the substituent is attached. Next is root word. Root word is nothing but how many carbon atoms there in the parent chain. And whether it is alkane, alkene or alkyne. What is our functional group? So now we are going to see the functional group. What we are going to see in this Our functional group is C double bond O Cl, COCl. If this COCl is there means name is end with oil chloride. OCO means oic anhydride. COO, it is ester, no? 8, O8, methanoate, ethanoate. And if C double bond O NH2 is there means amide. Amide, that is secondary suffix. What we have to complete the name, end of the name. If COCl is there means, if in this you have one CH3, COCl, how many carbon atom? If it is CH3, if it is CH3 is there means CH3COCl, no? 1, 2. So it is ethanoyl chloride. It is ethanoyl chloride. So in that manner you have to write. So COCl is there means oil chloride. C double bond O, C double bond O means oic anhydride. And if C double bond O means O8. C double bond O NH2 means amide. Let's write the IUPAC name of a simple compound first. IUPAC name of a simple compound, that is CH3CH2COOH. One acid. First you have to find the parent chain. 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon atoms. First you have to write the prefix. Find whether there is any substituent is there. No. So no need to write this. Find the root word. How many carbon atom? 3. Then you must write the prop. Next find it is a saturated or unsaturated. Whether any double bond is there or not. No. So and propane. What is our functional group? COOH. It is a carboxylic acid. If COOH is there means it is oic acid. So now it is propanoic acid. Root word is prop. Primary suffix is an. Secondary suffix is oic acid. Students, now example. Now how to write the IUPAC name? Now we are going to write the name by using the rules. This is our first compound. CH3COCl. COCl means, while writing the IUPAC name, oil chloride. First you are going to write the common name. It is derived from the acid. These are the acid derivative, no? From which acid it is derived? How many carbon atom? 2. So it is acetic acid. So it is acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride. How to write the IUPAC name? 2 carbon atoms there, no? 1, 2. So it is ethanoyl chloride. So it is ethanoyl chloride. And now next compound is CH3, CH2, COCl. Propionyl chloride. 3 carbon is there, no? 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon is there. So it is propio. Common name is propio. IUPAC name is propanoyl. So totally 3 carbon. So propionyl. Cl chloride. How to write the IUPAC name? 3 carbon means propan. Oil chloride. And the next is, instead of CH3CH2 we have a phenyl group. We have a phenyl group. So it is CH3. Instead of CH3 or ethyl we have a phenyl. We have a phenyl. So C6H5CO is called benzoyl chloride. It is called as a benzoyl chloride. Phenyl group is there means common and IUPAC name are same. Phenyl group is there means common and IUPAC name are same. So this is also benzyl chloride and this is also a benzoyl chloride. Next we are going to see the acid anhydride. Acid anhydride. CO group is called anhydride, which is derived from the CH3 is there. So acetic acid. So it is acetic anhydride. Totally how many atom is there? 1, 2, 1, 2. So ethane, ethanoic anhydride. So it is ethanoic anhydride. And the next is, this is, we know this is an anhydride. So how many carbon atom is there? CH3, CH2, So propionic anhydride. Here propanoic anhydride. Propanoic anhydride. And the next is phenyl group is there. Then it is benzoic acid derivative. So it is benzoic anhydride. benzoic anhydride. How to write the IUPAC name? Both are same. This is also a benzoic anhydride. Next, ester. Ester is COO group. It is derived from the acid acetic acid. First, how to write the common name? Alkyl plus acid derivative. Methyl. How we write the alkyl as a methyl? Find out which alkyl group is attached to oxygen, not the carbonyl carbon. Which alkyl group is attached to oxygen? Here methyl is attached to oxygen, so it is called as a methyl. Methyl. This is acetic acid derivative, so acetate. How to write the IUPAC name? Methyl. How many carbon atoms is there? 2. So methyl ethanoate. Methyl ethanoate. And the next is, what is the alkyl group attached to oxygen here? C2H5. C2H5. So it is ethyl. Ethyl acetate. Acetate. 2 carbon. So ethyl ethanoate. Similarly, we have a phenyl group attached to oxygen. So write this as a phenyl. This we know, acetic acid derivative. So acetate, we already discussed, no? Instead of H. If you put any C6H5 or CH3 means 8. So it is phenyl acetate. This is phenyl ethanoate. 2 carbon is there, so it is ethanoate. And the next we are going to see the next functional group is amide. Next functional group is amide. Amide means CONH2. CH3 is there means acetamide. CH2 is there means propane. And this also propane. This is benzamide. This is benzamide. So 2 carbon is there. Write the IUPAC name as ethanamide. 3 carbon is there. So propanamide. So this is benzamide. CH3 2 carbon. So ethanamide. 3 carbon. So propanamide. Benzene, so benzamide. So these are the IUPAC name of our acid derivatives. IUPAC name of our acid derivatives.